What is up, you guys? Hope everyone is having a positive day. But today I'm be talking about my mining rig. I just started off back in February. Excuse the noise in the background. The fan is on, exhausting. Yeah, the hot air out. By no means I'm an expert in this or whatnot. I'm new to this. It's all experimental. Researching and whatnot. I'm cool with it, hands-on and being exposed to it the first time. Now, before, I heard about these before, but I never understood it. But now when I'm doing it now, everything start coming together, and I start to understand what it's all about: mining rig, GPU mining, and whatnot, cryptocurrency. But like I said, I'm no expert. If I said something wrong or not correct, let me know in the comment. I'm learning. But yeah. Let me talk about my graphic cards real quick. Let's start from the bottom. So the graphic cards, I got two 1060 6 gigs. These cards I already had. The motherboard already had. The power supply I had already. The only thing that I bought was the power server, the board, and these wires. I will put everything that I have on here. I will put down in the description in the link if you want that. But yeah, so that's the only thing that I bought. Up here, same thing about. I had this motherboard, power supply, 12-volt UBGA, and like I said about this power server, it's 750 volt and 94 efficient. Up here, I got a 3070. At 3070, that I bought 5700 non XT that I had, and I bought a 3060 non TI that I bought. Now, obviously, you guys know why GPU prices are so high, because a lot of scrappers, a lot of miners buying them and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm buying these for my own use. I'm going to keep these regardless. I'm not gonna sell them off. You know what I'm saying? If I mine on them, this is mine. My money. I do want of it. I'm not harming nobody. At the end of the day, it's my graphic cards. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sell them off. Like I said, most of the time, I always pass them down to my family members who need a graphic card one in the future. But yeah, at this moment in time, I paid $800 for that GPU 3060. I bought these locally, so I bought them locally, not online. It's too expensive. I got two 3070s. I pay a little bit overpriced, but I'm cool with it. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm gonna make my money back. Like I said, do your own research and whatnot. So understand like the updates, the 1599, the 2.0. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm no expert. I just know in my head, like, you know what I'm saying, what current events and news. So you don't, there's always a risk in everything. Any project that you start with, there's a risk too in this. This video is not about that. Do your own research and do your own due diligence in whatever project you start with. But yeah, like I said, I bought these for locally. And I also forget I got a 280 Ti in my main rig. I had that for a while already, so literally with all these combined, my 280 Ti combined, like with my 1060, I already made my money back for my 280 Ti that I got for $1,000 back then. You know what I'm saying? I'm all together. And don't forget, I forgot my CPU. I'm also doing mounting Monero on my CPU. I got a 3600 up here, and I got an i5, no, an i5, i7. I can't recall. Wait a minute, i7, i5 down there. And my main PC. No wait, this guy's not an i5. I can't even remember right now. I'm just messing up. But yeah, I know I have a 3600, a 3700X in my main PC, and I can't remember what the other one was. But yeah, I'm mining Monero on my 3 desktop CPUs too. Like, well, it's not desktop. One here, one there, and one in my main PC. But yeah, I'm getting in about. Let's see. This is the rig. This is the top rig right here. For the top rig, I'm getting about. Well, it fluctuate back and forth, but yeah, the unpaid balance, you get paid out every 4 hours. There you go. This is for the top rig and whatnot. I'm getting about 260 mega hash, sometimes 280, sometimes it dropped down to 200. It all fluctuates. Like I said, do your own research so you can understand it and whatnot. And I use MSI Afterburner to what's that called? Change the setting and whatnot for these GPUs. But yeah, guys, you got any questions? Let me know. Yeah, like I said, I made my profit back away from my 280 Ti, and I'm making more profit right now. Like I said, do your own research. It might be an update. The hash rate is gonna drop maybe or whatnot. And like I said, I'm no expert. I don't keep saying that. I may say some stuff wrong. But yeah, y'all take care and have a good one.